you think? Good. Okay, so today's Saturday, April 11th, and I think Grant's gonna let me cut his hair finally. So I haven't been able to cut his hair in a very long time, so I'm kind of excited about this. When you like, you probably sleep more on one side than on the other. Okay, so now we gotta figure out what to do with this part of your hair. I got you trimmed pretty well. Actually, let me put the guard back on. I missed a spot. Okay, guard's going back on. I'm just gonna push a little bit harder to make sure to get all those hairs. That sound, it's cutting more hair.
Done yet?
Almost with the sides.
How long until we can start combing?
Start combing?
Yes.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm gonna start doing now. Okay?
I'm not doing it.
So I'm gonna do a little bit of water on here. So I'm gonna cover your eyes. Start combing and see how we can try to make this happen.
I need music.
Music. Okay, I'm gonna wet it a little bit more. Alright. Sounded like a dog bark and a goose honking at the same time. Okay. So you wanted a faux honk. I'm trying to see if I can figure out how to do this. Okay.
I think we need my hair gel.
I brought it. It's out here. It's out here. Okay. What? What's the matter?
Where? Oh.
What's that?
Okay.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Alright, let me see if I can get this to go up. I think I have two combs like that. I'm just trimming the ends of it a little bit. I'm not going too crazy with
2 combs never been done before.
it. You like that, huh? Alright, stand up. Come over here. And I didn't put gel in it, but take a look. Leave that thing on. Leave that thing on. We're not done. But look. Is that kind of what you're thinking?
Yeah, it's just this is sticking out. Right
Well,
there.
it's because it's not quite long enough to get up there. So if I cut it, it'll take a long time for it to grow back.
Cut it.
Cut it?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah. And I cut this too. Like this.
That stuff there?
Yeah.
Okay.
That doesn't go down at all.
Okay.
That just sticks out. Try it on my mom's too.
All right. Have a seat, and I'll trim that down a little bit more. I'll put the longer guard on. I wasn't sure if I could do that part or not, or if I should do that part. So this is the guard that's on.
You're cutting the poof, like that little.
Yeah, the little poof part. Yeah.
Is it gone?
Almost.
Yeah, like really doesn't. Like the V-cut.
That part, yeah. Alright, kind of sit still. You're moving all over. Oh, is it getting all over you? Sorry.
It's getting all over my neck, not the thing.
Here, I gotta brush it. Brush it.
There's some on my nose too.
You had a lot of hair, my dude. That's why. Alright, does your neck feel a little bit better?
Is the poof gone?
No, I'm still working on it. I only did that one side a little bit. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna get too crazy with it because it takes a while for that to grow back.
Why even in the back?
I'm doing all around. So all back here is shorter, and then you just have a little bit longer hair on the top for your mohawk. Okay. I'm not gonna cut too crazy. Alright? I kinda want your mom to maybe check it out and see if it looks good before I do more or whatever. And alright, let me put some product in it. Okay. Like this, close your eyes. You got a little bit of that poof, but I don't want to cut all of that off. Okay. Alright,
It grows back in like
close your
3
eyes.
days.
Close your eyes a little bit.
Yeah, it grows back in like 3 days.
Yeah, you're right though. That does grow back. That part goes back pretty fast. Alright.
I saw how short it was. Probably like 3 days until it fully grows back.
Well, also, if we leave some of those little ones, they'll grow long enough to get up into the top. Okay. Alright, I'm going to put that stuff in there. I don't want to cut too much, because if I cut too much, then you can't put it back. Yeah. You know why? Oh, I see a smile. You know why? I'm going to cut your hair in like 3 years. I like doing it. Put your chin down. I can't see. You got hair all over your face.
Last time you cut my hair was you were going to give me sucker fly.
Yeah, you remember? If you sat still. Alright, chin down. I can't see.
I was like, okay.
Alright. And like I said, you do have a couple little small hairs, but we're going to leave some of them.
Hair.
Alright? Alright, stay right there. I got to comb it still. Looks better though, right? I trimmed it a little bit more. Alright, have a seat. Have a seat. Alright, let's see what they say. It might be too long on top, but we'll leave it like this. And like I said, you can always trim it a little bit lower. Alright. Okay, so the haircut has been completed. We're trying to figure out what to do for lunch. It's about 12 noon right now. And I was like, Grant, you want a bacon sandwich? And he's like, yes. So I'm going to make up some bacon. I was kind of lazy this morning and didn't want to do it this morning. So here we go. Why not? Blow it all off over here. it's been a pretty productive day. We got the grass cut, first cut of the season. The back was a little bit long. You can see there's some clippings. We just mulched it and trying to procure our first bonfire of the year. It's not going so well. I started it with paper. Probably doesn't show up, but there's little bits of paper everywhere. My Duralog or whatever did not seem to quite work properly. But we're going with a hunter's fire instead of a teepee style fire, just because of the wind. So the wind kind of gets underneath and draws the flames up, and this seems to be working better. Grant's coming with Sophie, and we're just gonna chill, hang out. So we're gonna find some chill music and relax.
Didn't like go straight in.
Oh, that one looks nice. You can do them longer if you want them darker color.
See what I mean? It's kind of purple.
I like that. Yeah, I love that dragon egg look. The crack.
This one?
Yeah, that looks
that
awesome.
Cool.
All right, so me and my buddy, we are dyeing eggs, and we're a little late to get it to make it happen. So I needed to boil these sooner than tonight, and I didn't know how to boil eggs because I don't even know the last time I boiled eggs on my own. But what I did was
Grandpa usually does it, and then you put decorations on them too.
Yeah, I dye them and decorate them, but like Grandma or somebody.
Are you putting like Robert on
This one I'm gonna write Nikki on it.
Oh.
I hope this color crayon works. I'm not sure. So I cracked a bunch of the eggs, dropping them into the boiling water. You're supposed to put the eggs into into a pan, fill the pan with water, and then bring it up to a boil. I started it at a boil. Huh?
What if we had like a shelf for Sophie?
Can I use the metal thing?
Yeah,
Can I borrow?
just get this thing
Okay.
out of
Try
here.
not to get it on your jammies. Oh, I didn't do that. Here. Don't wipe it. There you go. Wipe it.
Wipe it.
So Grant and I, we had an awesome day today. We did a little bit of everything. I'm gonna leave that one in the yellow for a long time.
Besides tennis.
Yeah, we didn't play tennis, but we played baseball, football, basketball. We cut the grass.
Not volleyball.
We did
Volleyball too.
laundry.
There's a lot of sports we didn't do.
3D printed stuff. We had a bonfire with s'mores. Grant can now pull start the lawnmower all on his own. Wow.
Yeah, not even with him just like putting his hand over mine, like pulling it back.
Yeah, he did it all on his own with no help.
Clearly.
That
No
was
hope.
awesome.
No.
So, this one's gonna say Dad.
Your daddy? Or you?
Me.
There's like so many dads in this family.
That's probably a good thing, right?
Yeah, it's actually really good.
Is there one in, what color is this? Is this blue?
Yeah, there's nothing in there. I'm only doing one of each color.
Okay, that's fine.
I want to
Can I use the metal thing?
Yeah.
You want to do what?
I want to do one for red, but the color is red for the A. So I'm going to see if I can like find like a color blue.
A different color crayon, you're saying?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. So we had s'mores, we played baseball, we even got to play catch. It's our first time playing catch of the season, our first time cutting the grass for the season, our first campfire. Yeah.
Which one are you going to do for Dad?
I did blue with whatever color crayon this is, so I probably won't be able to see it.
Red.
Do you have, what other colors do you have?
Blue.
Yeah, grab a blue, I guess.
Is this like shiny one good?
No, we need actually just crayons. I don't know what those are made out of.
This is actually like crayon, just like with a thing.
No, let's just try the normal crayon. I've never used that. I don't know if that would work.
I have.
So, we are just about ready to start assembling. Oh, we also made 2 pounds of bacon, and Grant had a bacon sandwich for lunch, and he loved it.
No, lunch?
That was for lunch.
What?
Yeah, what did you have for dinner? Pizza?
Pizza.
Wow. Okay. Did you get some new crayons? Or just one?
Just one.
Okay.
We're taking turns because we only have one.
That's fine. So, we got a bunch of masks 3D printed. So what we're going to do, I don't know if we're going to have time today. Oh, yeah. I don't know if we're going to have time today, but I need to cut out all the filter material, bag them, and we're going to give masks to my sister's family. We're going to give masks to my brother's family. And then when or if we have extras, we're going to give some to the neighbors that wanted some, that don't have any at all.
Neighbors?
Yeah.
Since when?
Well, if I can make enough masks. If I make enough for the family, then we got extra to give to the neighbors.
Thank God.
What?
Wait, how are we going to pass them out if we're not allowed to touch things?
Probably just put them in a bag and either hand the bag to them or leave the bag outside of their house.
How the heck are we supposed to?
Gentle. Watch what you're doing. Are you bringing it out?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. And wipe any drips.
Oh, this is kind of like pink. That looks pink.
Yeah, it's never really super dark. All right, wipe any drips off the table. Let me have that metal thing.
Drippy drops.
Drippy drops. Oh, I want to do an orange one. What color crayon would be good for the orange? Just the red or?
No, I think the blue because
Okay.
this
Could
would
you
probably
do?
be like
I'm gonna do one for grandma, if I can. Let me see. That's a lot of letters.
This one's kind of cool.
Grand.
Wait, what the heck?
Oh, this one was wet. I hate when that happens. You can't write on a wet. On what?
I mean, wet.
Grand.
Look at how cool my blue one is. Look at how cool that is. It's like an actual dragon egg hatching. Look at how cool that is. Look. It's kind of cool.
That looks. What color is that? Is that the blue?
Yeah.
Wow.
It was like turned into like a bluish purple. But these are my eggs so far. I have these two.
I wrote grandma on that side and I messed it up because it was wet, so it wouldn't write the N. So I just turned it around and wrote it on that side instead. Alright, grandma's.
You should like make this into a decoration back here.
Like a picture or something? I'm not sure. I'm gonna leave it
you can just like write it over.
Just color over it. I'm gonna leave it. We're gonna put it in the orange. Let me check my yellow and see what they say.
I didn't leave mine in for a while.
There you go.
I don't think you have to leave it in for that.
Well, the longer you leave it in, the like darker or brighter color it gets. Ooh, I love that.
I only did this for like 2 seconds and then.
You can dry it off with your rag if you want, or your napkin.
Rag.
What color is this one?
Green.
Did you do any green?
No. Wait.
No?
Yeah, this one.
I'm gonna keep the yellow in there for longer. I like the blue. Ooh, look at it says Dad on it. That's cool.
You shouldn't did Super Dad.
Super Dad? Thanks, bud. Is that me?
Or you could have did
All right.
Best Dad.
Best dad ever.
Yeah.
Okay, Grandpa. Grandpa.
How do you spell best?
B-E-S-T.
Best.
You have the red? Can you tell that the color of the... I don't know if you can even tell what color you drew.
That's kind of like purple. That's red.
The crayon is red?
Yeah.
You can tell?
Dad.
What? Best dad ever. You smack girl. Thanks, bud. We had a good day today, didn't we?
Here's your extra egg.
We were busy today. We were out having a bonfire. Look at I put Grandpa and then a heart. And I'm gonna do green for Grandpa.
Why?
Right.
What's his favorite color?
I thought it was blue. Do you remember? I don't remember.
I want to keep this dragon egg, but I don't think it'll smell. I think it's gonna smell.
Yeah. So when we're done dyeing them and drying them, yeah, it smells like egg. We're gonna put them in the fridge, so they'll be all right for a while. But with it being cracked, it'll definitely start to smell. This was the red, right? That's what it came out as? That's what it looked like?
It's kind of like pink.
Okay, let me see. So I have... Well, that was nice. You gave me one of your eggs. Thanks, bud. That was nice. Let me think. What else do I want to do? Sophie. Did you make one for Sophie?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna make one for Sophie. Uh-oh.
What?
Did you hear that? I was pushing on it and I like punched into the egg.
No.
So after we're done making eggs, we are going to video chat with Nikki. She found some like cool ways to play games and stuff like that. So she, can I have the red for just a second? Please? I'm going to draw another heart on this one. Thank
Here,
you.
Dad, look. And
Oh, which one? Who's that one for? For Nikki?
Yeah.
Love it.
Kind of didn't do well.
It's not easy drawing on eggs, or writing on eggs, or whatever.
No, it isn't.
All right, what color should Sophie get?
Let me go ask her.
All right.
Where's Sophie?
She went.
Get over here!
Little booger.
What color? Yeah, okay, yeah.
What'd she say?
She said,
Let me check
red.
this yellow one.
She said red.
Oh yeah, because it almost is like pink. Oh, that yellow one's getting bright. I think
Wait.
Nikki's gonna love that one. What? What?
We should figure out like what goes with red to make pink.
Just don't put it in the red for as long. Like less time. I mean.
Yeah, I just put mine in for like 2 seconds.
Is this, what color is that one? Is that the orange?
Orange.
Really? You must have left that one in a long time. That looks awesome.
No, I would just put it in for like 2 seconds.
Really?
Yeah.
This one doesn't look anything. Does
It actually does.
Oh, it does?
It's just mine is dried off. That's why it looks awesome.
Okay.
Mine was like that when it came out.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, Sophie. Wait, I should have did blue.
Grandpa's looks I kind of like the green. You didn't do any greens, did you? Or is this one supposed to be green?
That one's green.
Oh, it is. Okay.
You
All
just
right.
kept yours in for a while.
Yeah,
That's
Nikki's is still in and Sophie's is still in, and those are the last two.
I feel like you should take that one out because if you want it pink.
For the pink? Okay. Alright, let's check it. Ooh, Sophie gets a dragon egg. Can I put it in yours?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. Sophie.
Grab it.
Yeah, here you go.
I'm gonna win the way.
This looks awesome.
Okay.
Oh, you have one more left or two more left? You still have two more left.
Do we have anyone in the family that starts with a T? I can go check.
You gonna check the family tree?